Welcome, I'm flying with the LENOVO Tab P11, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume down, both of them at the same time. So let's do it right now, power and volume down. There we go. So once you feel a vibration, you want to let go of the keys, and this will boot you into the boot mode. And in here you want to use volume keys to navigate through this, as you can see. Now there is a text barely visible. So here we have a restart bootloader. Then we have recovery mode, power off, start. So here we want to select recovery mode, which is barely visible, but once it's selected and written right here, press power key to confirm it, and this will take us to the recovery mode where we will find Fastboot mode. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna flip it this way so you can see the text, and hopefully the camera keeps focus on the text instead of the bar that is above it. There we go. I'm just gonna keep my hand here so it keeps focusing where it's supposed to. So anyway, from here, again using volume keys to navigate, as you can see, you want to select enter Fastboot mode and confirm it with power key. And there we go. As you can see, we're now in Fastboot mode. So again, we have a couple options right here. We can restart system now, which will take us back to the Android system. We can enter recovery mode, which will take us a step backwards. We can reboot to bootloader, which will take us 2 steps backwards, or simply power off the device. So whatever you select, you want to and confirm it with power key like we did before in the recovery mode. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select reboot system now, confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.